machiegni. Nyinga en George Bati. Jodak e gweng' ma nonindo oko tok Aora Rang'wena muoch kendo donjo e udi. Riwruok mar Kenya Red Cross kanyakla kod kaunti ma Homa Bay nochuno mondo mi odonje e daro jopiny chuny otieno nyaka e sikund primar mar Rang'wena. Jotelo mag gwengego kwayo jopiny mondo obed motang' ni pi mar oula mapek kendo odhi kuonde ma bet oting'ore gi malo.
Situation is not just here. It has been reported from the areas of the entire Rachuonyo North, Lambo areas, Ruma, Kaksingri, way into Gwasi North, into Ndiwa. So we are facing a mega problem here in Homa Bay. We are responding together with the national government here in Homa Bay to the best of our ability and our partners, the Red Cross. But the impact here is huge.
Just want to tell the residents of the county that please move to higher grounds. For those who are affected this evening, we confirm that the county team is coordinating efforts to assist them with some few supplies, particularly for tonight. We've asked the school to open classrooms to ensure that they get a place to put up tonight.